Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by reading the Mam Steriliser manual and safety instructions fully once. Wash your hands with soap and dry them on a clean towel. Disassemble bottles, teats, caps, and any accessories before placing them in the unit. Rinse formula or milk residue with cold water to remove visible deposits. Measure and add 200 ml of fresh water into the sterilizer base for steam. Use only the amount specified in your model's manual to avoid boiling over. Place the sterilizer on a flat, heat-proof surface away from children and arrange disassembled items so steam reaches all surfaces without overcrowding the tray. Place teats and small parts in their designated basket or raised holder. Stack bottles upside down with openings facing down to allow complete steam contact. Close the lid securely and lock any safety clips before starting the cycle. Start the electric cycle. Typical models run for 6 minutes to sterilize thoroughly. Do not open during operation unless an emergency requires interruption of the cycle. When finished, allow the unit to cool for at least 15 minutes before opening. Open the lid slowly to let residual steam escape safely away from your face. Remove items with clean tongs or sterilized hands to avoid recontamination. Store fully dry bottles and accessories in a sealed container or zip bag for up to 24 hours. Clean the sterilizer base weekly by emptying water and wiping with a soft cloth. Descale with a vinegar solution or manufacturer-approved cleaner every 4 weeks if you use hard water. Always follow the MAM instructions for model-specific care and warranty compliance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.